Hello YouTube, this is Setso, and today we are going to learn how to make a nicely shaped flower like this one, only using some circles and coloring. First we need to create a shape like this one, and to create that, go to Ellipse tool and press on both Shift and Alt to maintain the center, and go. Now to create another one, Shift and Center and go. Note that you have to have the smaller circle at the very front, so this is the one smaller. I need to drag it to the top. And so on. Now select the circle you want to color and go to Gradient tool. Click this, go to this one and pick Rigid Gradient. Now if you notice, my flower has the darker color at the center and then goes the light. In this case, we have the lighter color on here, and then goes the darker color. So we need to reverse this one. To do so, you have to go to Gradient, then click on this one right here. Great. Now double click on the circle and pick the color you want. Adjust this one till you're satisfied. Double click on this one and go to opacity, make it around 50%. Now select the next circle and do the same by clicking on eyedropper tool and then click this. Repeat the process. Now we have to get rid of the stroke, and to do so, select all of the circles, head to here, and then click on None. Now we need to have this zigzag kind of effect, and to do so, select all, head to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. Pick around 18 pixel, smooth, and 10. Okay. Change this one to make it better. Go to Zigzag, make it around 11 and 5. Maybe this one too. There you go. Now you have your shape nicely done. If you liked the tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next video.